What's up, everybody? This is Titans of CNC, and we're at the Boombastic Show with a beat episode. In our Facebook Academy group, the greatest group in the history of the world, a lot of times people come up and they say, hey, Titan, like, how do I choose a machine? Should I go with this machine or should I go with this machine? And I always come with an answer, but it's a difficult answer because there's a lot of variables at play and we don't want to lead you down the wrong road. So I thought, hey, you know, Chris is with Ellison. He handles all the 5-axis machines and different things.
All sorts of stuff.
All sorts of stuff. Yeah. Solves a lot of problems. I thought, hey, maybe you can actually help. What do you say to your customers like when they're trying to choose a machine?
So, I mean, it's one of those things. People say, hey, should I get this machine or this machine or this machine or this machine? And the thing is, choosing the machine is actually the easy part. What it is it comes down to your parts, your process, how you approach things in the shop, your tooling, your cam package. It's so much more than just the machine tool. When you had your shop, there's often parts, I'm sure, you put on a machine and you thought that's probably not the optimal way to do that, but you did it out of necessity. But if you had the choice to maybe change that up a bit, you want it surely the best machine for the part, correct?
Yeah, that's exactly correct. The industry is about levels. And it's important because the industry is a grind. You can make incredible money for your family. You can be incredibly successful. But if you misstep and you take on too much too quick without having the foundation to support it, you can actually get into some severe trouble. So I started off with 3-axis mills and indexers, and I flipped up my indexers on sign plates and different fixtures to actually get 4th axis and 5th axis parts done because the price of the machine was low enough for me to quote and get the work, right? As my customers elevated, I started looking at the contracts and picking my machines based on contract and longevity of that contract.
But again, it comes back to finding the right machine for that job. If you were just doing big flat plate work, this isn't the right machine for you.
Exactly.
It's a great machine, but it's the wrong machine to do big flat plates on. I mean, you've got the Mink series, you have one of those at the other shop, and then you've got the DNM, and you look at all these other parts. But if you're making, you know, aerospace fasteners and fittings, then a subspindle Y-axis lathe like the Puma SY or the Lynx SY, that's going to be perfect. Put a couple of angled attachment, poke those holes in there, mill your flats, and you're spitting out parts all day long, super efficient, making you a lot of money.
Wherever you're at, just look at the parts, look at your contracts, make sure you have money to pay that bill, and if you do, then go after it, be bold in it. Great job.
Appreciate it, man. I just want to say, hey, thank you to everybody for listening. Please reach out to me if you've got any questions whatsoever. I want to help you, and hey, let's have some fun.
Boom.
Boom.
We're out.